Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari and I'm still driving from California and looking for a better place where I can find myself. So many cities and states are behind and I feel like I'm very close to the final point. Right now I'm in Louisiana, where it was impossible just to drive through the state without any stop, because New Orleans is the star of this place and I had to stop and just walk there. Wow, everything's so beautiful. I don't know how to explain, but this part of the street looks like somewhere in Russia. It looks clean, it looks nice. It's sunny. What a wonderful weather. Probably, every downtown of every city is very awesome. I don't know, I just feel amazing when I walking somewhere in downtown. Even it will be LA, probably it will be dirty, but I still love it. I still miss for LA. Probably I will come back, but who knows when. What the hell is that? Oh wow, it looks so old and it's empty. Why it's empty? Why nobody's in inside? Oh Jesus. Guys, when I'm walking here I feel so unusual. I don't know why, because this city is so compact. Downtown exactly, it looks like San Francisco sometimes. I've been there just one time and I'm here just my first time. And for me it's like almost San Francisco, but much cleaner. I think I'm saying like this like in every second, this is much cleaner and this street much cleaner than it was in California. Okay, it's time to forget it because this is crazy. And this is exactly what I like in downtown LA. So many buildings, you can see different styles right here, and look at the stones. Wow, yeah, all of this motivate me so much. New Orleans was surprised me a lot. I'm from Moscow and for me it's very familiar to live in a place that has European buildings. So New Orleans was built by the French and I could really feel it. I've never been in France, but I've been in Laos, Asian country that was a colonial country so many years ago. And if you have never been in Europe as me, just visit New Orleans and you will see a lot of compact buildings, narrow streets and friendly people. New Orleans is one of the top 10 most visited cities in the United States. Just listen to it. My every morning looks like I wake up as early as I can, brush my teeth and cook breakfast. And the best advice I would give to you is cook everything at home and bring some food with you guys. It would be much cheaper and probably a bit interesting. So finally this day happened. My food is almost done because I cooked so many different combinations. I have an avocado here and it looks the same, like black avocado. This is like the special avocado, so I will not eat it. And also I have the green avocado. It's totally different for me now. And I was able to eat everything that I could in my home, and I bought just some snacks, some sandwiches. Yesterday I bought Burger King, like an Impossible Whopper. And this is very interesting fact. Then when I've been in Louisiana, so I visited two different places in Burger King, and they said me like we don't have any Impossible Whoppers, and I was like, what? Why? Probably I was the first person who just tried to get an Impossible Whopper. Probably in that state nobody is vegetarian. I don't know. If you are from Louisiana, please let me know, guys. But New Orleans was so amazing place. I like it so much. Now I'm in Florida and this is a bit different. It's cold outside, but it's supposed to be warm. Probably I have to go more to the south, and who knows? I'm going to Miami, by the way. Good morning, Florida. A wonderful sunny day. Somewhere in the middle of Florida. Probably it's not the middle, but for me it looks like I am somewhere in Norway. Right guys, it's time to check out and get out from this wonderful place. Thank you Florida for your, how to say it. Alright guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish I knew English much better than I know right now. I promise that I will learn English very hard when I come to Florida, and when I found someone who will teach me, or some school, whatever, because this is my third year. No, I mean, at the beginning, when I just arrived to this USA, people didn't understand me, and I just understood like zero. But sometimes it was a question to me, like, what would you like yes or not, or like green or black, and something like this. And I was like, okay, please just don't ask me anything, just okay, just give me something please. So probably I just improved my English by the time, and I work with American people, and I speak with them, and that's why I just learn it every day, just, you know, step by step. But I wish I knew it much better. So let's go. Let's go! Many of my friends told me, Ari, you're gonna cross the country and you will see a lot of places as well as have so much fun. Yeah, probably, I said. So can I call some of my attendants funny? Who knows? Alright. Now we got it. It happened second time on my road trip. Fuck this. I just felt that, and I wanted to be somewhere, but I didn't think that I'm tired of life or people. But for sure I can say that sometimes you need to travel alone. No people you live or working with around, just you and your thoughts. Because sometimes this life gives you something bad or good, right? And if usually you ask your friends about what to do, probably traveling alone will bring you to another level. Because when you win, you will understand the power of your decision. Alright, so good job guys, but I have to buy the new one in the case it will happen again. So, you know, I was super close to Miami, like 2 hours or something like this, and I have the same problem on the left side, but it's not broken, I mean, but it could be, you know. Whew, let's go. Another one sunset, looks so cool as usual, and I was super close to Miami, but it looks like I want to be there by tomorrow. The tire shop is closed too, so I hope everything will be fine guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If so, please put your thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, this trip was so hard and so interesting, and I had so much fun while I driving to Miami from California. Yes, finally I'm here in Florida, in Miami, and I love this place so much. And I can't wait to tell you more about my travel, my life and my experience, about Florida as well, about everything around, because this world is awesome and I hope you're really enjoying what I'm doing. So I'll see you next time guys. Всем пока!